Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a starfish, a clownfish. This is a clownfish. A seahorse. This is a seahorse. A lobster. This is a lobster.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
A sea lion.
And on his farm he had a pig.
A pufferfish. This is a pufferfish.
Everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
This is a pufferfish. Octopus. This is octopus.
Had a farm.
A whale.
And on his farm he had a dog.
A shark. This is a shark.
Here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
A shark. This is a shark. A little red fish.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Orange fish. This is orange fish. A whale. This is a whale.
Here, there, everywhere.
A squid.